The 1 shilling 1 vote, which basically refers to a population-based revenue sharing formula, is one which is untenable, it is unfair, it's unconstitutional, and it's one which will never happen in this country.
We urge the proponents of 1 man, 1 vote, 1 shilling to step down from this regressive clamor and focus on promoting equitable and inclusive development and across the country. And if they persist, we will also continue with 1 man, 1 vote, 1 kilometer.
Those who propagate this mantra believe that they think we have not gone to school. Actually, this is corruption from the back door. You want to steal resources through a policy. That policy, we reject it in total.